30 English words and phrases that reveal your personality, with sentences. Honestly. Honestly, I'm not sure this is the best idea. Honestly. Honestly, I'm not sure this is the best idea. I think we should reconsider our plan. I think we should reconsider our plan. I feel a bit overwhelmed today. I feel a bit overwhelmed today. Maybe we can try a different approach. Maybe we can try a different approach. Definitely. I definitely agree with you. Definitely. I definitely agree with you. I guess we can go there later. I guess we can go there later. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's do it. Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's do it. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this decision. I'm not sure. I'm not sure about this decision. It seems like they're upset. It seems like they're upset. I hope everything goes well. I hope everything goes well. Honestly speaking, I didn't enjoy the movie. Honestly speaking, I didn't enjoy the movie. In my opinion, we need more time. In my opinion, we need more time. Believe me, this will work. Believe me, this will work. I wonder why he didn't reply. I wonder why he didn't reply. I promise I'll finish it today. I promise I'll finish it today. I feel like something is off here. I feel like something is off here. I prefer tea over coffee. I prefer tea over coffee. I admit I made a mistake. I admit I made a mistake. It's obvious. It's obvious that they didn't finish the work. It's obvious. It's obvious that they didn't finish the work. I'm afraid. I'm afraid I can't attend the meeting. I'm afraid. I'm afraid I can't attend the meeting. I assume they'll arrive late. I assume they'll arrive late. I doubt that this method will work. I doubt that this method will work. I notice you've changed your hairstyle. I notice you've changed your hairstyle. I care about how you feel. I care about how you feel. I believe in your abilities. I believe in your abilities. I need some time to think. I need some time to think. I wonder if this is the right decision. I wonder if this is the right decision. I noticed that you've been working hard lately. I noticed that you've been working hard lately. I suggest we take a short break. I suggest we take a short break. I'm curious about your opinion. I'm curious about your opinion.